Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Okay, today I have a special treat. Now, everybody has been, or at least has heard of Vermont, right? And we all know what Vermont is most famous for. Vermont maple syrup. The best. I love maple syrup. Oh man. Waffles, pancakes, you name it, so delicious. But did you know that Vermont is famous for something else? Oh, you're not going to believe it. They are famous for a Vermont style cheddar maple syrup cheeseburger. And I'm telling you, this burger is phenomenal. Not going to tell you anymore. You're going to have to watch the video and see how it's made. Alrighty, everyone. Okay, well, first ingredient, of course, we need some hamburger. And I have here some, I think this is the 80/20 ground beef. We'll use about half of this right in here. Now this is pretty simple. This part here, just season up your hamburger the way you normally season it. I have some and one good heaping tablespoon of garlic. For the fun ingredient, we need maple syrup. This is the Vermont maple syrup. Very, very good. It's a grade A dark robust. So I'm not sure how much to put in there, so I'm going to say about a quarter cup, maybe a smidge more. I have here some sharp shredded cheddar cheese. I would say that's about a half a cup, maybe a little more. All right, what do is get your meat hooks in there and just mix it around. Get that maple syrup in there. Get it all happy in there. Now, today I have my Austin XL Pit Boss. I have it set at 350 degrees. And I have a special treat inside there cooking already for you guys. Leave a comment down below if you can guess what that is. About that size. About a half pound, maybe a quarter pound. It's a hamburger press. What you do is lay the hamburger right in there like that. Press it down. And voila, there you go. Perfect hamburger patty every time. Look at that. There you go, guys. This is thick cut smoked bacon. This is going to go on our burgers. And I'm telling you, it is fantastic. This is what they put on the burgers in Vermont after they get done cooking them. They slap a couple of big, thick slices of bacon on there. And I'm telling you, it is so good. All right, we'll put these to the side. All right, folks, just want to give you a quick look what they look like. I've already flipped them over once. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's a little small one. That one's probably going to be just like a little taste test for me. All right, everyone, let's build this burger. I already got the bacon off. Go ahead and grab the burgers and get them on there. I've already toasted the buns a little bit, as you can see. All right. Oh, man. Look at the cheese just pulling off of that. Okay. Now, here's the fun part. We'll take some of that bacon and build these burgers. And there you have it, guys. Bacon, cheddar, maple syrup cheeseburgers on the Pit Boss smoker. Smoker was set for 250 degrees. The bacon cooked first, and then the burgers, and they just look absolutely freaking perfect. You can do anything you want on there. You can put lettuce, you can put tomato, you can put onion, put all the garnishes on there like that. I'm going to go with just a basic. Alrighty, everyone. Let's get a taste test and see how we did. I'm going to cut this bad boy right in half. Oh, yeah. Juicy, delicious. Cheers, everyone. That is a burger right there. Do me a favor, guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, or share this with your friends. Well, until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.